Good afternoon to everyone. I am Lakshmi Prasanna. I am studying intermediate second year with CBC. I am studying Government Junior College at Pochampalli. Today we are discussing about air pollution. Today I am going to talk about air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of harmful or excessive or unwanted substances to the unsafe for human beings and animals and the environment. These substances are called pollutants such as smokes, gases or chemicals released factories or vehicles, fossil fuels and other sources. Air pollution when it become dirty or harmful to natural resources. These substances are called pollutants. The natural like volcanic ash or dust. The human like emission for vehicles, emission for factories, etc. First main air pollutant, carbon monoxide. To colorless or odorless from car exhaust from fuel, incomplete for fuel burning. Nitrogen oxide to produce a sulfur oxide to produce a coal and oil carried for accident. Nitrogen oxide emitted for the vehicles and plant and power plants and smoke and acid rain. Particulate matter, solids or liquids can enter the lungs for health problems. Ozone. Gas is form of chemical reaction, sunlight and pollutants causes harm to breathe. Effects of the air pollution. Human health. To respiratory diseases like asthma, heart stroke, dehydration can even premature death for every year. Environment. Damage of crops and forests, bodies of the water through the acid rain. Climate. To pollutants the carbon dioxide and such releases contribute to the global warming. Rising temperature. This temperature is average temperature is increasing. Hotter summers and heat waves. Effect on the animals and plants. Many species lost their habitat, struggle to survive. For example, dying due to warmer oceans. Causes for the air pollution. Vehicle emissions, cars, buses, trucks and motorcycles can release carbon dioxide, etc. This is the one of the biggest urban air pollution. Industrial emissions, factories, power plants, coal and oil and fossil fuels, etc. Fuel burning, used for electricity and transportation, used for agricultural activities, used for fertilizers and pesticides to harmful chemicals like ammonia. Next, solutions. Air pollution solution. Air pollution is the reduce for everyone, people and government workers to how to clean air. The government is launched by the National Clean Air Pollution. Used clean energy. Switch to solar, wind or hydro power instead of coal and oil. Many industries to use renewable energy sources. Emission for vehicles to use public transport or walk or cycle or carpool, etc. Next, save energy. Turn off lights and fans to do not use. Efficient appliances for the bulbs. Spread awareness. Educate all people how to reduce air pollution effects, causes, solutions. How to stop global warming. The global warming is a temperature such as greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide, etc. Spread awareness. Share for information, share for videos, share